Candace's first birthday! Yay! To you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Candace! Happy birthday to you!
Blow.
Go. You can do it.
Blow.
Errol, help you blow?
Blow. Blow it out, Arrow.
Yay! Thank you, Errol, big helper!
Again.
Eat it, Candace.
You gotta eat it, don't just pick it off and put it on the floor.
Eat it.
What are you doing?
Eat it. There you go. Mmm.
Is it good? Guess we're not sure about the frosting. Try it.
Mmm.
Try it. The orange frosting, apparently.
I don't think she likes purple either.
Here. Go like this.
Yay.
Try a bite.
I think it's good.
There you go. Mmm.
It is good.
Digging Candace.
Now we're eating some cake.
Yay.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're too busy.